This is Mike Karegeannes, physical therapist and owner of Freedom Physical Therapy Services. We would like to share with you some various videos of versatile equipment that I enjoy finding and being able to use with our patients to help them maintain their well-being, overall fitness, and good health. So here's the Yamuna Ball. One of the biggest reasons I love using the Yamuna Ball is the inventor of it from New York designed the ball to be of a relative firmness but pliability that is very comforting when you use it for body rolling. Body rolling has been around for many, many years. As therapists, I've been doing therapy for 28 years and have been instituting various forms of body rolling throughout my career. In the past, we always tend to use a foam roller, which definitely has its purposes, and many of you probably have one at home. But I think in addition to that, you will find the Yamuna Ball a great complement because it's in general just more comfortable, and it allows your body to actually relax into the ball, sink into the ball, with the goal being to make your connective tissue, or your myofascial tissue as we call it, more pliable, to give it more elasticity, more length, to help eliminate any muscle pain you might have, trigger points that might be developing. And then the big thing I love using it for, of course, is your spine. As Joseph Pilates used to say, the more flexible your spine is, the younger you will feel, the younger you will be. And if you look around you, and probably some of your friends and relatives, you might notice how their posture has poorly developed over time, how rigid their spine has become, and as a result you will see their mobility possibly become more frail, their balance be off. So I can't stress enough, in my opinion, everybody should have a Yamuna Ball or something similar to it to maintain good health, great spinal mobility, great tissue elasticity, and it's a great adjunct to all the different manual techniques that we do. So if you're interested in getting one, we have these at all locations and we'd be glad to help you in learning how to use the Yamuna Ball. So right now, Jess is going to help us demonstrate how I like to use the Yamuna Ball for improving your overall spinal mobility. Most of us tend to have a lot of tightness in the area between the shoulder blades. One of the advantages of the Yamuna Ball, because of its round nature and size, is it gets very nicely between the shoulder blades that, let's say, a traditional foam roller really doesn't allow you that flexibility as your shoulder blades tend to get in the way. So we're going to have Jess demonstrate here. As you'll notice, her head is fully supported by her arms. She's relaxing the front of her neck muscles, and the whole goal is for her to gently lift her butt up just a little bit, and she's going to slowly, methodically roll down through the Yamuna Ball, with the goal being to let her head sink back as she's doing and keep her pelvis and butt down, so her spine is forced to yield to the Yamuna Ball. And we'll just have people move up and down the Yamuna Ball at a nice steady pace, also reminding them not to hold their breath so that, again, their whole system can be relaxed. And initially I'll just start through this area, but eventually you can work all the way into the lower lumbar spine, again, depending on your condition and after we've assessed you, and also all the way up into the cervical spine, into the base of the head. Sometimes I will have people just take deep breaths and relax and let her body and spine just meld over that Yamuna Ball to, again, improve overall pliability and flexibility of your spine. Thank you for tuning in to Mike's Must-Haves. I look forward to sharing more versatile equipment and products from Freedom Physical Therapy Services.